In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily bulk edit items within the system. Now to begin this process, you're going to want to jump into the folder or the area within your account that has a bunch of items. So to begin this, I'm going to jump into our Los Angeles folder. Inside the Los Angeles folder, you're going to see all of the items that I've currently added into this warehouse. Now to begin or to get to the bulk editing process, all you have to do is hover over the initial item and click on the checkbox at the top left. This is going to enable this gray action bar up at the top, and you'll see one of the first options is going to be to edit. Now before we do this, I want to select multiple items in here, and that way I can easily highlight or update everything that I want to at one time. So I have about 4 or 5 items selected here. We'll select one more, and I want to go in and edit this inventory. So to do this, all I have to do is select those items individually, and then I'll hit the edit button here. Now at this point, you're going to see a right-hand panel slide out, and you're able to go in and update individual fields based on these items. Now if we want to take a look at something such as the min level, we could go in and add a min level to these items. Maybe they don't already have one, or maybe they do. You can easily go in and set a value for this. So if I want to set the min level to 5 for all 5 of these items, I can easily do so. Now, one high-level thing I want to showcase for you about the min level, or about specifically bulk editing in general, is that the bulk edit function is not allowing you to edit the items individually. In unison, rather, it's more so allowing you to add a collective to all of the items that have been selected. So a good example of where this could be useful is if you wanted to add notes, maybe if you wanted to make price changes to those items, maybe if you want to add tags as an example to all those items at once. That's really where this can become useful. If you're looking to update these items individually, the bulk edit function is not really going to be the ideal option for that specifically. Now, you'll notice here as well, with this bulk actions bar, there are some additional settings that you have access to. For example, if you wanted to edit the quantity of these items, you can easily do so by hitting the update quantity option. Now, when I click on the update quantity, it actually allows me to go into each of these items independently and update their individual quantities. So keep in mind when you click the bulk edit, that's going to be for all those items. They're going to have the same feature added to all of them. Whereas if you're working with items such as like the update quantity, you can actually update the individual items quantity one by one. There is also the opportunity here for you to move your item to a different location. So if we wanted to allocate these items to a different folder, we can do so. We can also export this data into a CSV file, Excel spreadsheet, or even a PDF, as well as creating labels. So if we want to create labels for all the items that have been selected, we can. And we can even set an alert or clone these items and even delete them. So the bulk edit option is available. Again, you'll just hover over the item at the top left-hand corner. You'll see that checkbox. That's going to open up this panel for you where you can go in and make bulk changes to your items. As always, appreciate you joining. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, support@sortly.com. Thanks so much.